Catch it, Katie.
No. It's a little brim thing. I don't know if it's worth keeping. I don't think so. Oh,
Unless we start catching nice ones.
Catch like a million of them.
Yeah. If we had more of that, then we'd definitely keep it.
Have I got the biggest one so far?
Bigger than either. I think I caught like 3 real tiny ones.
Yeah, I got 3 little tiny ones too.
Yeah, what was tearing up the top of the water back there in that nice looking cove was gar.
Yeah.
Yep, old gar and
I saw some of those.
that old stagnant water. Pepper. Pepper. How are you doing? Pepper, how are you doing?
Sorry, little fish.
Pepper. Sometimes you just gotta kill them. Let's see how Richard's doing over here. We'll just kind of one-handed.
Hold on for number 1.
Yeah, I want to get on further up in that little creek. Yeah, I can hear the highway. That's always a good thing. Yeah, we're gonna kick on off. Once I saw those gar, I was like, hey, it's over. Over. Well, up in these, up here, if they're all up in that creek, then we'll just turn on around and come back out to bigger water. Yeah, I just want to go back there mainly just to have done it. Hey, if there's brim back there, we got them cornered then, Bo.
Huh?
If there's some good fish, some eating fish, and we got them cornered back there. Yeah, the lake is way up right now for some reason. We've had decent rain all throughout, but this has been nice. Pretty day. Richard fishing. Richard got his new paddle, his Ascend paddle. Ultra lightweight.
I need a lighter weight one. This thing's like a brick.
You gonna hook that brim? We're watching him reel in his court. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's rigging back up. Alright, well, about to hit the trail again, going up and hard to the right, on around that corner. We can hear the road.